FormSwift Legal Forms Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get legal form services wrong. They assume they are expensive and complicated. The surprising truth about FormSwift is how simple it makes creating professional legal documents, and you won't believe how many templates are ready to use instantly. Here's how it works. FormSwift provides editable templates for contracts, business agreements, tax forms, and personal documents like wills or powers of attorney. You select a template, fill in your information, and download the completed form in PDF or Word format. For example, a small business owner needing a non-disclosure agreement can generate a legally sound contract in minutes without hiring a lawyer. Most people get this wrong. They think DIY legal forms are risky, but FormSwift's templates are designed to be compliant and customizable. Additional features include cloud storage for your documents, e-signature integration, and the ability to collaborate with team members or clients. FormSwift also offers tutorials and guidance to ensure each document is completed correctly. However, there are considerations. While FormSwift is convenient, it cannot replace personalized legal advice for complex situations. Most people assume all templates are universally applicable. Some cases may require professional review. In conclusion, FormSwift is ideal for individuals and small businesses needing quick, reliable legal forms without the high cost of a lawyer. Its intuitive platform and variety of templates save time while maintaining professionalism. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of legal and business tools.